Hi guys, it's Rich again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I have decided to share with you my first ever DIY hair color, and I am going to use the L'Oreal Paris Superior Preference, and the color is Ultimate Black, Natural Black. I want to make some changes in my hair color. The instruction, it comes with gloves too, color and shine conditioner, a color gel, and the color optimizing cream. So I still have to read the instruction and how to do this. Ooh. Shake. Oh my gosh. This one does. Oh no. Oh my god, Beshi. What should I do? Stinks. Babe, can you help me? Can you help me? It's so difficult to apply. I mean, just to spread, I can just do it like this.
What do you want me to do?
Spread this. You can use this so you'll not get color in your hand, the gloves.
What, you mean spread it with my hands?
No. Yeah, well, I will spread it. Just put the liquid in there.
No, I can put the liquid in there without these.
Okay.
I'm gonna lick those. So where do you want me to put the liquid?
On my hair strands. Because look what happened. It's not balanced. So like, I'll hold my hair like this and put the liquid in there, and
Okay.
I can do it like that.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Hold your hair like that then.
So let's see. We'll do it in the brighter part.
Just let me do this. Oh, I got it on my foot.
It took me more than an hour, actually me and my babe, my husband, to apply the hair color in my hair, and look at what happened to my face. We are going to wait for 25 minutes and we are going to rinse it off. I'm gonna shower, guys. I can't bring you with me. Here's the final result. There you have it, guys. That's the end of this vlog, my first do-it-yourself hair color. Actually, me and my babe's first DIY hair color. It was fun, but for thick, long hairs, it's not easy, but love the result. Let me know if you also love the result in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming video. See you in my next vlog. XOXO! Bye!